Nervous about hitting that withdraw button on Bybit? Don't be. I'll show you how to safely move your USDT in 5 simple steps. Let's go cheetah speed. Step 1. From the Bybit home screen, tap on Assets in the bottom right corner. Step 2. On this screen, you'll see the Withdraw button. Tap that. Step 3. Now, select the coin you want to withdraw. We're choosing USDT. Step 4. This is the most important part. You need your wallet address. Go to the wallet you're sending your crypto to, copy its address, and paste it right here in the address field. A pro tip: always double-check the first and last 4 characters of the address to be 100% sure it's correct. Step 5. Choose your network. Think of this as the highway for your crypto. You must select the same network as your receiving wallet. If you choose the wrong network, your crypto could be lost. So get this step right. Finally, enter the amount. Review the withdrawal fee, and if everything looks perfect, smash that withdraw button. And that's it.